Hi there everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to install your new license plate light to look just like that LED one that you see on the right. You turn them on so you can see the difference. The one on the left is the old one, the one on the right is your new LED. Very noticeable difference. So what you're going to need for this installation is a screwdriver. The process is fairly simple. You're going to push on the license plate light, follow the little arrow, and you'll see that it springs towards one way. Once you do that, you put in your screwdriver underneath and gently pry, just to help you push it along. Once it pops out, you'll be able to better understand the mechanism. Only one side of it, like so, will actually flex. The other side is solid to lock it in. So now the next step is going to be to remove the connector, which is very simple. Press on the tab, slide it out. Let's proceed to install your new LED light. This needs to be clipped in, and the LED works both ways in our unit, but still nonetheless test it. We see it working, so we're going to go ahead and proceed with the installation. Now make sure that this goes in the exact same direction that the previous one came out. You'll notice that the springy flexi part goes towards the right. Slide that in first, and then that will allow you to push in this solid piece that will clip in. There we go. So slide it in so you hear it click and you're good to go. So let's click them on so you can see your new license plate lights. Enjoy.